My in-laws' deck has been completely rotting away, and what once cost only about $8,000 to replace is now $15,000, $20,000, even exceeding $20,000 to have replaced. So we decided to challenge ourselves and see if we could build him a brand new deck for under $4,000. We've already spent a combined 10 days working on this project to remove the old deck, to pour our own concrete foundation, and even build a pro-level deck frame. But first, let's go over the build plan. Step 1, we need to load up all the unused and bad materials, head over to Lowe's, return them, and see where we stand with the budget. Step 2, we're gonna fix the massive problem in the center of our deck because we didn't stagger any of our boards. And lastly, we're gonna need to figure out how to close in the side of the deck so that we don't have any critters making that their home. Our current total is $4,062.58.
All right, we got $771.23 back on our first transaction. So we're gonna load some more boards up, take them out, and we'll see what the damage is and where we level out. But currently, looking pretty good.
We spent $408.30 at Lowe's getting new materials, which brings our new total to $3,699.65, which means that we are under budget again, but the project's not over. Things could always change, but we're looking on the bright side. Let's get this thing wrapped up.
Wait, why are we taking this one off?
Well, in the last video, if you watched it, I made a big boo-boo and cut these boards not short enough. They're too long, and I have no overhang. And we're going to go back and cut each one of these off. That's a big bummer, but you know.
You live and you learn, huh?
Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Roll with the punches.
Hold her right there on that line. Does it look like it's lined up?
Sure.
Well, hey, you better be.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes it's worth taking the time. Just do it right, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't take that much longer. And it feels good to just come back and, you know, fix it. You ain't gotta get all puffy about it. Just get the work done and you'll be happy when it's done. This is the one time that poor financial decisions actually pay off. I have a right-handed circular saw and a left-handed circular saw. I didn't know why they made the two different left-handed versus right-handed. It's never made sense to me, but it does today. Because the left-handed saw can't get into some of these places that the right-handed saw can, and vice versa. Would you look at there, Molly?
Would you look at there?
I guess we ought to go ahead and do these bottom stairs while we got everything out. And I'm, you know, doing math stuff, so hopefully I don't mess it up again.
Let's hope. Did you see what you did?
Huh?
This one is shorter.
Huh? What?
That one's so much shorter, or am I crazy?
Who did that? Oh no.
Now what?
Oh no.
What did you do?
I didn't do that. You did that. Bye-bye. How'd that happen? I think that's the only one I measured. Because the chalk line didn't hit it. I measured 1 inch too short. Give me a break, brother. Brother, ooh. Brother, ooh. Brother, ooh. Well, there you go. Problem solved. Put me a 1-inch board in there, a little longer than it needed to be so it doesn't split. And there we go. It feels awesome to have that bottom step finally framed out. I still have to figure out how to mount it to the concrete. I can't forget to do that before we actually put the deck boards on, so don't let me forget that. But I gotta put some joist tape on in the meantime, and I can start running the rest of the decking on the top up here and finish the few pieces that we missed. Oh my goodness, I really hope we have more of this joist tape. Oh, if not, that's gonna really stink. Look at what I found. Heck yeah, I got 2 rolls actually. I gotta tell you though, this joist tape stuff, with the amount it cost and the amount of labor that goes into actually putting this stuff on, I really am starting to question how worth it actually is. I hope that all the claims that people make online are at least partially true, that this stuff's gonna really help long term without, you know, help long term keep these things from rotting. But let's be honest, with the way things are going, any money you can save these days it's a good thing. All right, it's time to put a piece of trim on. It's gonna go right here, and then our deck boards will come over the top, but this way we get a nice clean look on the front here. We'll be able to hide the screws a bit better, and it's going to look nice.
Nice.
Huh? What?
Nothing. Do you have screws?
No, I don't have any.
God, those are hot. Holy.
Some sissy hands. All right, well, it's time for the last 2 boards. And I think they're
Yippee.
gonna be real challenging to get in here.
It looks close.
There we go.
Oh. See, my thinking was right. Okay, there.
That's what I'm talking about, Molly.
Just a
It
little
was
tap, tap, tap. Oh, not even a hammer.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
Well, Miss Molly, how do you feel about today? Let's give us a little debrief.
I mean, I feel like we got some things done, especially those on our to-do list we had to tackle.
My seam.
Yeah.
I know everyone loves my seam down the middle. I think it was a piece of art. I like the abstract nature of it.
A++.
A++ on my seam.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. Tomorrow, I'll show you exactly what we're doing
It's not staying.
to make that look bougie, all right? But right now, I need to get on home,
Get some food.
get some food in the belly, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And we've already been to the store this morning because I had to figure out something we could use to attach these bottom steps to the concrete. So here's our updated total spent on this project. We got lots to do. Let's get to it.
Well, that looks pretty straight to me.
do, donkey. That'll do.
Last one.
This is actually such a nerve-wracking part because it feels like if we mess it up, that we're messing up like hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars worth of deck boards. All right, we're moving on to steps. There she goes.
That's all she wrote.
There is a second empty box. I was really hoping we were gonna get through this entire deck with this 2 boxes, but apparently 1,400 screws, not enough. Gonna hurt the budget, Molly, because I don't know if they sell smaller buckets than that, and they are expensive.
I swear.
Unfortunately, these screws are out of stock everywhere in the US, but thanks to today's sponsor, Saley, we were able to charter a flight to get to Italy just in time, and on the way, I was able to download their app and install an eSIM in just a matter of minutes so that when we landed, I was able to find the nearest Lowe's and get the screws that we needed. Saley is the easiest way to get mobile data and avoid roaming fees while you're traveling. All you need to do is download the Saley app or visit their website and activate an eSIM card, which is just a simple way for your phone to connect to data without the need of a physical SIM card. It takes only a few minutes to set up and is surprisingly affordable, and being available in over 200 countries, you're bound to find the coverage you need. So next time you're traveling, be sure to give Saley a try and use code Woodbrew at checkout to get 15% off. Thanks Saley for sponsoring this video. Alright, let's put in this border piece here. She's gonna go just like that.
That's gonna look good.
Mm-hmm. It's one of those deals where it's more like what's gonna look right, you know? More so than what is right. Sneak peek action right now. Shebang! Dang, that's gonna look nice.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
You're about to say you're gonna screw it in or just stare at it?
Last piece going in. Well, at least for the stairs.
Yeah, for the stairs.
Be a very snug fit.
Tap, tap, tap.
Come on. Like to see right there. Nice. All right, I'm working on the very first of our big borders here, and this one is the most complicated. I'm gonna take some time and get it right. The reason it's complicated is because it actually needs to be trimmed when it gets to the house and goes in front of the door because it overhangs the side of the deck over here. Let me show you what I got going on. If you can see that 2x6 right there, you can see it sort of runs wild over here. That's not because our 2x6, our deck is out of square. It's actually that from this point to that corner, the brick skews in that way. So it's not a consistent width here. So we can't just cut it one width or else we'd have a huge gap back there. All I've got to do is take this board, put it up against the house. It's the same width as this one. This board's lined up with the edge of our cut that we already made. And I just go along and make a mark on this side of the board, and it scribes a line that perfectly matches this area, at least in theory. So let's cut it out and see how it fits. Pretty dang good there. right, Miss Molly, I left the very last board
For me?
for you. You want to see if she fits?
Yeah.
You missed all the other ones.
Are we good?
I think. I hope so.
Good.
Slide her on in there, Terry. I'll help you out. Come on. Come on now.
Give her a little tap.
You give her a little tap. It's your board.
Well, don't pinch my fingers.
Oh, that's satisfying.
That was nice.
Come on now. Come on now. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Look like a Western. But this is crazy. I literally look like a Western rider right now. I look like I got my riding coat on and everything.
Oh my gosh.
This is hilarious.
Your shadow?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's nice, huh?
That's a good fit.
Here we are, Ma. I think we're on the very last day here on the old deck project. Don't have much lumber left, and all we gotta do is close inside, so let's get her done.
Last day.
All right, let's put this bad boy in
You got the legs out and everything.
there. Yeah, I ain't playing around today.
Where am I going? All the way?
Yeah. Like it?
Yeah, I'm butted up. Last one.
This is the last one.
Those things need to see some sunshine.
Can't kneel though. Like it.
Yep.
Those screws look like they're
Yep.
going in the wood.
I mean, they're in line with the
I'm
other
about to
ones.
fall into this bush.
Woo!
We were able to build this deck for a fraction of the cost of what was quoted. Over $15,000 for a basic deck, and I think our deck is actually much better than what was quoted there. Why? Because obviously we saved a ton of money, we had a bunch of fun doing it, we learned all sorts of things, we actually put in our own concrete poured foundation, we used a beefy floor system here with joist tape included to keep this thing lasting a very long time. We bought premium deck boards instead of the cheap standard grade stuff. We even trimmed everything out, and most of all, we love it. Just like YouTube thinks that you would love this video over here, so you should check it out. We also have the full playlist over here of the entire deck build series if you've missed any of it and would like to get caught up. We'll see you guys in the next one.